Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Canva video editor exports to MP4 for YouTube, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Canva account and log in to your dashboard. Select the video project you wish to export. Ensure that your video is fully edited and ready for export. Click the share button located at the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select the download option. A new dialog box will appear. From the file type drop-down menu, choose MP4 video. Review your video settings. If desired, you can choose to select the specific pages or slides to export. Click the download button in the dialog box. Canva will begin processing your video. Once processing is complete, the file will be downloaded to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your device's Downloads folder. Ensure that the video plays correctly by double-clicking the file. Now, you are ready to upload your MP4 video to YouTube. Open the YouTube website and log into your account. Click on the Create button at the top right corner. Select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Drag and drop your MP4 video file into the upload area. Fill in the necessary details such as the title, description, and tags. Select the thumbnail or create one using Canva if needed. Adjust any advanced settings as required, like monetization or subtitles. Finally, click the Publish button to make your video live on YouTube. Your Canva video is now ready for viewers to enjoy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.